Hi everyone! In this video, you're going to discover the top 5 soft skills for a more successful career. My name is Lauren, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. Building a career in IT would be impossible without the right technical skills. IT specialists routinely deal with processes, wiring, roadmaps, network infrastructure, and more, so their hard skills and innate talents come in handy. However, many people overlook the fact that IT workers interact with people as well. They work in close contact with staff from other departments. The biggest reason soft skills are held in high regard is that they facilitate the human connection necessary for professional success. Even if you've got a reputation for being an excellent coder, hacker, system admin, etc., these technical skills are maximized if you work well with others and inspire confidence. Soft skills and their importance in IT. According to a recent poll conducted by bestcolleges.com, more professionals utilize soft skills in their everyday work than trade-specific or hard skills. The subject of information technology encompasses a wide range of occupations, each needing a unique set of skills and education. IT professionals often overlook the fact that it isn't enough to have only the necessary technical abilities and expertise. According to LinkedIn's Global Talent Trends survey, 89% of employers say a lack of soft skills is the most common reason for a failed recruitment. So, even if you have strong technical skills, employers want to know your ability to put soft skills to work. To succeed in many IT-related positions, you'll need to possess technical and non-technical talents. 5 soft skills every IT professional must have. According to IT leaders, a lack of soft skills on a team can lead to problems like team conflict, deadline slippage, and subpar results, among other things. To land a career in IT, you'll need to demonstrate the following soft skills in your interview. Communication. Building technology with others or working in a team is usually more productive and enjoyable than doing it alone. So, clear and captivating communication is vital for IT professionals who attend meetings, produce proposals, write emails, and design documents. Your ability to effectively communicate is critical in almost every part of life, but this is especially true in the workplace. Communicating effectively helps you to aid your coworkers with their technological issues and answer their questions. Teamwork is an integral part of your job as a software engineer, system administrator, or any other technical role. Both written and spoken communication must be clear, concise, and compelling. Moreover, innovative ideas can be stifled by a lack of effective communication. A team's inability to convince executives of the worth of their work or ideas is typically due to a lack of communicating the value of the business case. Having problems finding a senior leader to support your project could indicate a communication issue within your team, leading to a higher rate of resignations. According to research by TeamStage, talent retention is 4.5 times higher when communication is effective. Creativity. Professionals in the information technology field are continuously looking forward, predicting and designing solutions for unforeseen technical challenges and requirements. It takes a great deal of imagination and problem-solving skills to think in this way about the future. The ability to conceptualize and implement novel ideas is sought after by employers in the technology field. Building a team of people who are creative and who can take a broader business problem and give a technical answer, or who can discuss what-if situations and come up with new solutions, is a proven approach to establishing a team that can work effectively together and toward the big picture. Leadership. Even if you do not hold a management job, you may be requested to manage projects or teams, even if it is only for a short amount of time. Being a project coordinator necessitates strong leadership abilities, the capacity to delegate duties, and the ability to maintain a consistent focus on the final goal. When it does not come naturally to them, some people are terrified by the prospect of taking the reins. However, it would help if you don't allow your fears to get the best of you. It is possible to learn about leadership by first assisting others struggling with a complex topic or duty. Being approachable and prepared to provide a hand prepares you for more difficult duties such as giving a presentation or conducting a discussion group. It is essential to start with little steps. As an information technology specialist, you may also be responsible for vendor and client management. It is critical that you understand how to communicate successfully with vendors and clients to guarantee that their demands are met efficiently. Flexibility. IT professionals frequently experience setbacks or unforeseen changes, ranging from technical difficulty with their projects to a last-minute conflict with a vendor. You must learn to be adaptable, accept changes, and instantly seek out innovative solutions to problems. Employers appreciate the ability to work around the clock, but that's not humanly possible. However, you can make an impact in the workplace by taking your time to complete complex jobs to the best of your ability. In the same way, you must be receptive to recommendations and feedback, whether they come from your employer or a client. Pay close attention to any comments you receive and remain open to making any changes that may be necessary to improve customer satisfaction. Determination. It is possible for IT projects to be held up for a variety of reasons, including financial difficulties, challenges with vendors, software, hardware, or procedural problems, a lack of collaboration, or any combination of these factors. Starting a project with a well-defined and realistic timeframe and budget might assist you in achieving your ultimate goal more quickly. Employers are pleased with your ability to design a project and stay committed to completion and your capacity to follow through on it. Although many people believe that technology occupations are almost entirely dependent on information technology skills, the highest achievers employ technical skills and soft skills. Soft skills account for the vast majority of the workplace competencies sought after by employers, and the information technology industry is no exception to this rule. Soft skills can assist you in landing and succeeding in your desired position. Hence, if you wish to excel as an IT professional, you must focus on soft skills alongside hard skills. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.